Hi, my name's Daryl. Now, the most popular calibrator for the Jeep Wrangler is JSCAN, which allows you to modify your Jeep's computer to support multiple modifications, such as changing your tire size, your gears, or even modifying your daytime running lights. Now, JSCAN is an app. It utilizes your phone, either Apple or Android, to make these changes. But with JSCAN, you need to purchase hardware separately that you install on your Jeep in order for it to work. Now, JSCAN does make it pretty easy, as they have a list of recommended hardware, but you still have to choose the product. Now, I've been using JSCAN for a couple of years and I've tried a number of different hardware devices. And today, I'm going to let you know what I recommend and why. So, let's get started. All right, so the first thing that you're going to need is an OBD adapter. Now, there are a number of recommended adapters and they vary in price, but I would strongly recommend the OBD Link MX Plus device. It's definitely not the cheapest, as it lists for $140 on Amazon, but this device, it not only works with JSCAN, but it also works with a number of other automotive applications, such as ForeScan for Ford vehicles, Torque, Bimmer Code, Dash Command, Alpha OBD, and Carista. It also comes with an app that you can use to read codes and run diagnostics for multiple vehicles, and it includes enhanced support for Ford, GM, Stellantis, Nissan, Toyota, Honda, and Kia. Now, I use the app all the time when towing, so I can monitor all of the vital engine parameters, such as the coolant temperature, the transmission temperature, the oil temperature, the boost, and what gear I'm in. It's a phenomenal product. I purchased it primarily to use when I'm towing, but it's just a bonus that it also works perfectly with JSCAN, and it's a recommended product. Next, if you have a Wrangler JL or Gladiator, you need to get a security gateway bypass module. Once again, there are more inexpensive ones on the market, but the best one I've found is a security gateway module by Z Automotive. They're the makers of Taser, and it's a small little device that looks like this. Originally, I had this device. It's a little bulkier. Now, the nice thing about the gateway is you don't have to disconnect it to use your OBD2 port. I found this out the hard way when I went to get a smog check, and the OBD port, it wouldn't work without disconnecting the security gateway module. The Z Automotive device, it plugs right into the security gateway cables, and your OBD2 port, it continues to work as it should, whether you're making programming changes using JSCAN or using some other OBD2 adapter. Oh yeah, and you don't need to disconnect it just to get us a simple smog test. Now, the last piece of essential hardware, and I don't know if I would call this essential, this just kind of makes your life a little bit easier, is the security gateway extension cables. Now, this is also made available from Z Automotive. Unconnecting and reconnecting that security gateway module, it's kind of a huge pain in the ass because of where it's located under the dash. When visiting the dealer, you really need to remove that security gateway module, and with the extension cables, it allows you to easily disconnect the module and plug in the original cables without having to remove the cover panel. The extension cables, they plug in to the original security gateway ports, and they hang down just far enough, allowing you to plug in the original security gateway cables to that under end of the extension cable. It's simply awesome. So that's it. These are the hardware devices that I strongly recommend using with JSCAN, and I hope to see you again in the next video very soon.